If we once again turn to Megasthenes' description, he speaks of a particular type of officers called agronomoi. One of the functions of the agronomoi was to maintain a royal road and put distance markers, signals like present day mileposts after every 10 stadia. 10 stadia is a Greek measurement which corresponds to the present day half a mile. And this indicates that the Mauryas appointed officers who took care of highways. This description finds a striking corroboration in two edicts of Ashok coming from Laghman in Afghanistan. These are two edicts in Aramaic language and script. The two edicts tell us about the existence of a Karapati. The term Kara is an Iranian word meaning the Lord, the King, and Pati is a Sanskrit word which means the way. If you combine the two, it means a royal highway. And the two Aramaic edicts at Laghman record the names of certain places and the distance and the direction of those places. In fact, these two are road registers. This very clearly shows that the Mauryas were alive to the requirements of the communication movement in the very large area under their control. After all, we cannot forget that during Ashoka's reign, he sent out missions of Dhamma, not only to different parts of his own realm, but also outside his realm to the areas of the Cholas, the Padas, the Satyaputas, Keralaputras, and also to Sri Lanka. That he sent Dhamma missions to Sri Lanka is also celebrated in the later day Buddhist texts. On the other hand, we have already encountered in our earlier discussions how Ashoka sent Dhamma missions to the kingdoms of 5 Yavana kings in West Asia. The Mauryas maintained regular contacts with Greek rulers of West Asia, indicating that they were trying to maintain communication, possibly by overland routes to faraway West Asia. On the other hand, the communication to Sri Lanka must have been made by maritime routes. So the Mauryas tried to provide some facilities of communication even on a long distance basis, both by overland as well as by maritime routes. So here we come across, in the study of the Mauryan social and economic life, a complex scenario, typical of a very large, far-flung polity which was also very complex.